Hi. Welcome. In this tutorial, you will learn to create menu page for your calculators, using FM Calculator Generator tool. If you are new, and watching this video first time, please watch previous video by clicking the link shown above. If you like my videos, please subscribe my channel. Let's start. Here are 5 thickness calculators. We will create this menu page for these calculators. Open FM Calculator Generator. Click Menu tab. Type menu title as thickness calculators. This title will be shown here on menu page. This is ID, which is just integer number starts from 1. Select heading in the drop-down list. This heading will be shown here, in the menu page. Type heading as shell. Select main text on left side. Click Add button. Shell heading is added successfully. Now select Calculator in drop-down list. Click Browse button. To add calculator, select shell thickness file and click Open button. Change text, if required. Select shell heading, on left side. Click Add button. Calculator added successfully. Now repeat same procedure, to add calculators. Select heading. Type text as head. Delete text on page. Select main on left side, click Add button. Head heading added successfully. Now select Calculator in drop-down list. Click Browse button. Select Calculator and click Open. Select head heading. Click Add button. Calculator added successfully. Repeat same procedure to add more calculators. Now verify IDs. The IDs must be in sequence, and always start from 1. Click Generate Code button. The code is generated successfully. Click Save HTML file button. The file saved successfully. The menu file will be automatically open. Now verify and test menu page. All the text we typed is same. Click on any item in menu page to open specific calculator. Links are working fine. It is noted that all calculator files and menu file are placed in same folder. If you move any single file to other folder, the files may not work properly. These all files and folders must be placed in one folder. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, Fayaz, Memon, for more videos and tutorials.